Siddhartha book, this third section of the 4 sections of the book. And we're going to spend some time talking about the third noble truth, the snares of the world, and then talk about the spiritual journey. I want to say something about human beings as meaning-seeking animals. That's Sugar's moment. Question of problems of meaning. Come back to Siddhartha. Again, this issue of living the questions. And then finally, Steve Jobs is going to give us a little talk they gave at Stanford commencement. So, I want to begin by, you're listening to Rainer Maria Rilke's words in his letter to a young poet.
I'm just going to move this over for a minute here. It's just a screen.
You are so young, so much before all beginning, and I would like to beg you, dear sir, as well as I can, to have patience with everything unresolved in your heart, and to try to love the questions themselves as if they were locked rooms or books written in a very foreign language.